Welcome to BrassCraft's How to Install a Flexible Water Connector video. BrassCraft offers 3 types of flexible water connectors: braided engineer polymer, braided stainless steel, and reinforced vinyl. Each has varying degrees of flexibility to fit your installation needs, so select the product that's right for you. When installing a new faucet or toilet connector, we recommend installing a new water shutoff valve as well. Shutoff valves that have been installed for a number of years may have buildup from hard water or worn seals, etc. So it's just a good rule of thumb to replace both at the same time. If you choose to install a new shutoff valve, please reference one of BrassCraft's How to Install videos for your specific shutoff valve type. For today's installation of the flexible water connector, you'll need a pail and rag, 2 adjustable wrenches, and of course, a new water connector. Before removing the existing water connector, be sure to shut off the water supply to your faucet or toilet. Turn on the faucet or flush the toilet to drain water from the line. Place a bucket under the water valve to catch any remaining water in the line when you disconnect the existing water connector. As you can see, we've already removed the water connector and are ready to install our new product. Our shutoff valve has a 3/8 inch compression outlet, so we've selected a BrassCraft flexible polymer braided connector with a 3/8 inch compression nut inlet. The sealing components are built into the connector itself, so we don't require additional nuts or fittings to make the connection to the shutoff valve. We've measured the distance from our valve outlet to the water inlet on the toilet, which is 10 inches. Our connector is 12 inches to ensure that we can install the connector easily without stretching or pulling to make it fit. Thread the connector nut onto the valve and hand tighten. Then, using one wrench to stabilize the valve and the other to tighten the connection, wrench tighten approximately 1 to 1.5 turns. Next, we'll thread the outlet of the connector onto the fixture. We're installing a toilet connector with a hand-tightened wing nut, so we won't use a wrench for this connection. If you have selected a connector with a metal nut, hand thread the nut onto the inlet of the faucet or toilet, then wrench tighten as we did at the shutoff valve. Turn the water supply back on. If connecting to a faucet, remove the faucet aerator and turn the faucet on to purge air from the line and wash through any contaminants. Once the water runs smoothly, turn the faucet off and check for leaks. If a leak is present, slightly tighten the appropriate nut. Remember to reattach the faucet aerator if necessary. Once that's done, your installation is complete.